Current Mercedes-AMG models are very cool, but we'd argue none of them are as cool as a pre-merger AMG model, meaning built before the tuner was purchased and brought in-house by Mercedes-Benz. This 1989 300 CE-24 AMG Wide Body is the perfect demonstration of this. The wonderful Mercedes with the blistered arches was originally sold in Japan and came well equipped with things like heated front seats with a memory function, an electric sunroof, and cruise control. But after driving it for approximately 1,300 kilometers, the original owner decided they wanted something a little more special and took it to AMG Japan for a series of further upgrades, including the fitment of the widebody kit. Other modifications made to the car include the staggered 17-inch AMG 3-piece wheels, AMG bumpers, distinctive side skirts, white instrument faceplates, and Recaro bucket seats. The car is being auctioned off by Broad Arrow Auctions at its Amelia Island event running between March 1st to 2nd, and is expected to sell for between $175,000 and $200,000.